Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you why your keyboard on a laptop isn't working and show you the possible fixes for that. There are several reasons that your laptop keyboard may not be working, and I'm gonna categorize them into hardware issues and software issues. The hardware ones are connected with physical parts, and the software ones are connected with your operating system. First, let's talk about the software issues. The first thing you should always do when something on your laptop isn't working is to restart your laptop. So to do it, just easily go to the start button right here, then click on this button, the power button, and click on restart. Now we wait until it restarts, and after that you should see if it works. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna provide other steps in a moment. And now if your keyboard is working, you can test it out, but if it isn't, then to unlock your laptop, for example, I'm gonna show you. You need to click on the accessibility button, then enable the on-screen keyboard. Now you can type in your password. So I'm gonna click on the password field, type it in. And now you can see that it's okay. And let's continue with another step, which will be searching for the device manager. If you cannot use the keyboard to search for it, then go to the settings, and in the settings you should be able to go to accessibility, and in accessibility scroll down to keyboard and enable the on-screen keyboard right here. Now we have the on-screen keyboard on, so we can search for the device manager. And open that. Then here we'll see the keyboard. Let's review the list. Right click on our keyboard and click on uninstall device. Now click on uninstall. And now click on yes to restart. Now it will restart your laptop again, and after that you'll be able to see whether or not your keyboard works. And now let's unlock our laptop, and you should be able to see if your keyboard works, so try putting in the pin. If it doesn't work, then again on-screen keyboard. Now we need to go to the settings, and in the settings go to Windows Update. In Windows Update you should check for available updates, so click on check for updates, then it will check for them, and if any are available you'll be able to click on download and install. When all of them are installed, then you may be prompted to restart your laptop. If you restart it, then you should be able to check if your keyboard works. If it still doesn't, then there's one more step that we can do in order to check if it's a software issue, and then I'm gonna move on to the hardware issue. So I'm gonna skip the Windows Update, but I suggest you doing that. So you can see it downloads, then it installs, and after that it prompts me to restart. I'm gonna close out of that, and let's go to the BIOS. So we can go to the BIOS to check if the keyboard works there. To do it, you need to shut down your PC. So let's click on the start button, then on the power shutdown. And now let's wait. After the display goes off, you'll need to wait for additional like 10 to 15 seconds to make sure the fan stops spinning, etc. And when everything is fully off, now you can turn on your laptop, and while doing that, you need to press on a special key. So it will be different on different laptops. Sometimes you need to press on the escape button, sometimes on the F2, sometimes F12, F11, or sometimes the delete button. So it's really different on different laptops. But usually if it's F2 or F12, and sometimes it's delete. So on this laptop it's F2, so let's do it. So when we press on the power button, we need to immediately start pressing on the F2. We can do it multiple times to make sure it catches that, so let's do it like that. Now let's keep on pressing on the F2 button. And you can see I'm in the BIOS now. So first of all, it worked because I was able to click on the F2 button. And second of all, let's see if the keyboard works here. If it does, because you need to use if you can use the arrows on your keyboard, then you can see that the keyboard is fine. And you can exit out of here. For example, let's discard changes. And now we'll get to the other things that may be the reason. So if it works in BIOS, then I would suggest you hard resetting your laptop. And if you don't know how to hard reset your laptop, there is a video on our channel on how to hard reset a laptop. So watch that. But remember that hard resetting a laptop will erase all its data. So if you want to prevent that, then you should back up your files somewhere to another drive, for example, or to cloud, especially the important files, and then do that. But I'm gonna continue with another things. My keyboard actually works, but let's talk about the hardware issues, which may be the reason. Also, if you have any malware on your system, that may be the reason your keyboard doesn't work. So if you have malware, then I would also suggest just reinstalling the system or hard resetting it. But now let's move on to the hardware. So sometimes it may be due to some liquidation, and there's no better fix than just taking it to service. Also, sometimes maybe your laptop was dropped from some height, and that may unsolder some things on the motherboard, and it may also make your laptop not work with the keyboard. So there's nothing you can do about it, but sometimes it's just some dirt which you can clean by for example, removing the keycaps. Usually removing the keycaps is sometimes kind of tricky, but yeah, you should be able to remove them somehow. Maybe I'll be able to remove that space. It's easier if you have a prior to pry it with. So yeah, just remove the keycaps, and then you can clean underneath them, because maybe something is blocking the keycap from being pressed. Also, just clean your keyboard with a Q-tip and maybe some alcohol, which will allow you to get in there and clean everything. And I think that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.